Are your Windows apps broken by the Intel Graphics UMDIM32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Intel Graphics UMDIM32, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This DLL file is an Intel Graphics driver component for the 32-bit Universal Mobile Driver Interface. It manages display output and graphics resource allocation for 32-bit software running on Intel-based mobile and desktop platforms. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. The Intel Graphics UMDIM32.dll is functionally required for Intel Graphics Driver to operate. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Intel Graphics Driver from the developer will repair any missing or broken application files found in your system. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Intel Graphics UMDIM32. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Remember that manual replacement of the Intel Graphics UMDIM32.dll is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If registry clutter or the Intel Graphics UMDIM32 inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. Thank you for trusting us with the Intel Graphics UMDIM32 repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.